Here is the question. The question is, a number is 2/5 of the other. That means the other number. Their sum is 84. Find them. So in this question we have two numbers. One is unknown and the second number is 2/5 of the unknown number. So here we define the unknown number as a variable x. So in my solution I define let the number is equal to x. Okay, the other number I defined as x. Therefore the second number is 2/5 of this x. Therefore other number is equal to 2/5 of x, the other number. And you are given the sum of these two as 84. Let's add up these two numbers in terms of x. Their sum is the first number and the second number, which is 2x by 5. Since they are unlike fractions, we depend on their LCM to convert them into like and then add. Here the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 5 times 5 times of x is 5x plus 5 one time of 2x is equal to 2x. So the sum of two numbers in terms of x is 7x by 5. Okay, but this sum is equal to 84 by question. Therefore 7x by 5 is equal to 84. You have to solve the x. So you have to transpose the 7 by 5, which is a factor of x, to the RHS. So x is equal to 84 into, since you are transposing a factor that to a fraction, it becomes reciprocal on the RHS side. So 7 by 5 to be written as 5 by 7. 7 is a factor of 84, which goes 12 times. So x is equal to 12 into 5, 60. Therefore the number is equal to 60. Okay, very simple. One more question of the same kind. 1/5 of a number increased by 5 is equal to 1/4 of the number decreased by 5. Find the number. Okay, it is on the same number. See the first statement, 1/5 of the number. Find the number. So we define the unknown number as x. So by the first statement, 1/5 of the number, since the number we defined as x, 1/5 of the number is x by 5. X by 5. So x by 5 is increased by 5. So x by 5 plus 5. Okay. So 1/5 the number increased by 5 is equal to 1/4 of the number. What is the 1/4 of the number? X by 4. And it is decreased by 5. So x by 4 minus 5. So both are equal, then what is the number? Okay, you got the idea, I think. Let's begin. In solution, we define let the number is equal to x. 1/5 of the number. 1/5 of the number is equal to x by 5. Okay. Again, 1/4 of the number. 1/4 of the number is equal to x by 4. Now by condition apply. What is the question? Therefore, 1/5 of the number increased by 5 is equal to 1/4 of the number decreased by 5. Okay, this is the equation. You have to transpose the fractions to left side because this contains x variable, and transpose this plus 5 to RHS. That is mutual transposing from LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS, that I do. So x by 5, by transposing x by 4 to right side, left side, that is x by 4 is equal to minus 5 minus 5. Since plus 5 become minus 5 by transposing. I have to convert or subtract these two fractions. Here the LCM is 20, 5 4 times, 4 times of x, 4x minus 4 5 times of x is 5x, which is minus 5 minus 10. And the result of this numerator is minus 5x plus 4x. So minus x by 20 is equal to minus 10. Okay. I transpose this 20 to RHS so that it multiplies on the RHS. So minus x is equal to minus 10 into 20. So minus x is equal to minus 200, then positive x is equal to 200. So we got the x value. Therefore, the number is equal to 200. Okay. The question seems to be very simple. If you read, the question seems to be very difficult. If you read the question in part wise, it is very easy to frame the equation, and also thereby you can solve the equation also. Very simple. One more question. Divide 184 into two parts such that 1/3 of a part exceeds 1/7 of the other part by 8. Okay. And this is a very important question. Important not in terms of examination, in terms of the concept in it. Okay. Whenever I say important, don't feel it may appear in the examination. Important itself. Here, the number is 184 is to be divided into two parts. Two parts. It did not say equally. How to divide 184 is not defined here. But 1/3 of a part is more than 1/7 of the other part by x. What is the one part of this 184? We don't know. I define the one part is x. Let's see as we begin. Number you are given 184. So let one part is equal to x. Therefore, other part is equal to what is the other part? Suppose if one part is 20, what is the other part? How can I get? By subtracting 20 from 184. The same way, by subtracting x from 180, from 184, I get the other part. Clear? So we divided the 184 into two parts in such a way, one is x, other is 184 minus x. Now by question, one third of one part. What is the one third of one part? X by 3. What is 1/7 of other part? 184 minus x by 7. And those difference is equal to 8. Clear? Now let me write one third of a part is equal to x by 3. The same way 1/7 of the other part. 1/7 of other part is equal to, what is the other part? 184 minus x by 7. By question, the difference of these two is equal to 8. Therefore, x by 3, one third of the one part, and 184 minus x by 7, the 1/7 of the other part, their difference is 8. As usual, since we have unlike fractions on the left hand side, whose denominators are 3 and 7, by using LCM we can subtract them. The LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. 3 7 times, 7 times of x. 7x minus 7 3 times. 3 times of the whole numerator. So 3 times of whole numerator. Okay. Here you must use the bracket because the second fraction numerator is a binomial where there is a negative sign. I said the precaution here. Clear? Now multiply in the next step. So 7x minus 3 of 184. 3 4s are 12, 24, 25, 2, 552 plus 3x is equal to 8. You can simplify 7x and plus 3x, which is 10x minus 552 by 21 is equal to 8. Now transpose 21 by minus 52 and 10 in order. I work out here. So 10x minus 552 is equal to 21 into 8. So 10x minus 552 is equal to 8 21s 168. Now 10x is equal to 168 minus 552 as plus 552, thereby 10x is equal to 0 to 7. Then x is equal to 720 by 10, that is 72. We defined x as a part of 184. So we got 184 a part, that is therefore one part is equal to 72, and other part, what is the other part? The difference of 184 and first part. So 184 minus 72 is the other part, that is 112. This is the other part, first part. These two are the answers. So we divided the 184 number by using the concept very clearly. Please continue watching and also please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.